Hey my natural beauties, it's your girl Ruth coming today to share with you guys this beautiful garland. Excuse the noise in the background. If you would like to see how I DIY this beautiful garland, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, this DIY for the stairwell was kind of last minute. Decided to share with you guys. I have literally on here right now, it goes all the way down, and I have a total of I think 5 wreaths. 2 of these, the pre-lit, then 2 of this one, the gold, and then 1 of these. I wish I had more of this one to make it look fuller, but I don't. But I have a solution to that. But this is what I got going on so far, you guys. I didn't want it to hang this year. I kind of wanted to go literally across the top, and then it goes up there as well across the top. Y'all got a sneak peek of the tree. That will be another video to see the finish of that. But let's finish adding all the stuff in here. I'll show you guys what I got. And yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna show my face because I got my bonnet on. It's after work hours, so I look a mess. Excuse the lining. That's from the light. Let me see if I turn y'all a little bit. That line will go away. Yeah. Okay, so we cut some ribbon. I cut a total of 10 of these, and it's about maybe 12 inches, I think. Right at 12. And I cut 10 so far. I might need more. We will see. Then I cut 10. I'm just going to use 3 different ribbon. And then I cut 10 of these as well. And this is what this looks like. Is it upside down? Oh, no. But it just says Merry Christmas on this one. And then this one says Merry Christmas as well. Then we're going to use these picks right here. It's total of, y'all, they all tangled up, literally all tangled up. Hold on, let me get it from my tangle. It's a total of 3 different picks. We have from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use, have these right here, and I'm just going to cut them up. And then I have these 2 right here we're going to use, and we also going to use, these fell off somewhere. I just had to put them back on there, but I'll cut these flowers up to add them in there as well. These came from Michael's, and it says $18, but you guys, y'all know I got that big old bucket from, the big old box from Michael's, that $4 box. Last year, that's what all this garland and all that stuff was at, literally all of it. That's why I'm using it. Oh yeah, and let me show you guys. So going along the stairwell right here, I use this garland right here. It's not the pre-lit one that's on the stairwell right here. This is, y'all know the mister got to make his entrance. That's him down there laughing. But this is from Walmart, and it wasn't pre-lit. I kind of just laid some lights across the top. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm trying to show you one. There you go. I just literally just laid the light across the top, and then this is one of the gold garlands. I just laid that on there as well. But we're gonna add the picks, the ribbon, and all that. Here's a sneak peek of the tree. Again, you see the finish of that in another video. But let's add these picks, get this done, and yeah. Okay, you guys, it's kind of hard trying to do this on the stairs. We're not trying to fall down the stairs, but this is the ribbon, and it goes all the way around like that, and it goes all the way down. Excuse the stuff at the bottom of the stairs, but y'all know we are decorating. But this is what it looks like so far. Let me go to the top so you can see. Girl, we almost fall just then. See? We almost fell. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. This right here, and then we're just gonna fill it in the middle. That's why we left the middle empty, because we got picks and flowers and all of the above to put there. Okay guys, here's what we have from upstairs. I have added all the little pics, and I don't know if you guys can see the pics from up here. Let me go to the stairwell. Okay, here is the pics right here going down the stairs. This is what it looks like. I need to go down and look up. Let's see. Excuse all the stuff on the stairs, y'all. That's the fallout from the wreath. But that's what we got going on so far. All the little pics. And it goes all the way up. Excuse the TV too, the mistress watching TV. Okay guys, I wanted the stairwell to make a whole statement piece, y'all, and it is doing exactly what I wanted to do. Excuse the TV, but look at the flower. Straight giving you life. It straight gives you life, and it goes all the way up, of course, to the top. But now I'm about to take some bulbs and put some bulbs on it. I think I'm gonna tie like 2-3 together and put them on there. And this is what it looks like from this side, y'all. It's giving you life. Like, what you talking about? Here's the flowers up here. This is so cute. Okay guys, these are the Christmas bulbs we about to put on the railing. We're gonna use some of everything but the silver. I don't want to use the silver. We're gonna use the blue, teal, and the white, and the gold. I don't want the silver, even though the silver's pretty, but we're gonna substitute the silver for the gold, because y'all know we're trying to match. My horse is down there, don't want to take that down, so we want to match that. So that's where we're going with this gold. Okay, anywho, let's pull out some of those. I already got some right here that I pulled out from another pack I had. Y'all remember these came from Michael's. They was wrapped in the pack of, for the $4. They had, I think it was 3 or 4 packs of 50, and I'm only using these two this year. I think that's where I got these from. If I'm not mistaken, that's where I got these from. Or were these from the At Home? I think these was from the At Home. I don't remember, y'all. At Home or Michael's, one of the two. Okay, y'all. I finally cleaned the camera. 1, excuse the TV. 2, but we are finished with the railing, and we put the bulbs on there, and we added some little birdies. I don't know if you can see the little birdie sitting right there, but it goes all the way around, right? Let me see if I can have y'all look down. There's a little birdie, and this little birdie's on the whole railing. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're going right there. That's a little birdie. But, oh, and that teal looking thing, that's a little birdie as well. It was dirty this whole time. Y'all, the camera was like dirty this whole time. I'm so mad about that. But this is the finished look at the little birdie. So pretty. I think I'm gonna take this dark teal one off because he's like a soap bomb, literally. It's too dark. Yeah, I might take him off. Let's remove him. Okay, so we took him off, but this is what we got going on. This is the finish. I'm gonna have to show y'all this in the daytime. Okay, you guys, here is the finish of the garland, and it goes all the way down the stairs. Here's a sneak peek of the tree, and yes, it's spinning. Details on that coming soon, but here is the finish, going all the way down the stairs. So here is the finish. Excuse the light, but that's the finish. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Also, if this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey, we would love for you to stay, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.